Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Fanttik Apex V10 portable car vacuum cleaner. So unpacking the vacuum from the box, you get a user manual, you get a storage bag, you have an extra filter, USB-C charging cable, along with a small cleaning brush, and then you get the multi-surface attachment. You get a soft bristle, hard bristle, and then you get a hose attachment with a crevice tool at the end. And of course you get the vacuum cleaner. So briefly going over some specs, the vacuum has a pivoting and extendable nozzle. The suction power has two modes, 9,000 kPa and 17,000 kPa. Runtime of 13 to 35 minutes, and it takes 2 to 2.5 hours to charge. The dustbin capacity is 500 milliliters, has LED lights, and it weighs in at 2.5 pounds. And again, the charging port, it uses a USB-C. This can be used for multiple surfaces with the attachments, but it's designed to use for your vehicles. So taking a look at the vacuum cleaner, on the top here you have your power button, and then you have a plus and minus button that will increase from low to high. And then you have a button to adjust the angle of the front. It can go all the way up to 210 degrees, so just hold it down to your desired angle, and it just locks into place as long as you hold it down. And then right above that you have the display. On the back you have the USB-C charging port, and then on the back you can attach one of the nozzles here to store it. As far as accessing the dustbin, basically you just press this button and then it separates from the unit, and then you can see the filter here. You can remove that, and this is washable, and it comes with an extra filter. And then on the other side you can open this up and empty the dirt out. So one side you can access the filter, and then the other side is to remove the dirt. And then it just clicks back into place. Looking at the end of the vacuum cleaner, it also does extend here, so you can pull that out a bit. And then attaching the attachments is simple, just insert like so, and then you're able to extend it a bit. And then again, it does come with the hose, and that just inserts like so. I just scattered some rice grains in the back of the Subaru here. Let's see how it picks it up. I'll just extend the nozzle at the end and turn it on here. We'll start off with low. So this is on the low setting. And you can see it's picking it up with no problems. You can see the debris. Now I'm gonna go in the high setting. And let's use the extension tube on the high setting. And now you can see all the rice grains that it picked up. And it had no issues, so nice and clean now. Okay, so that's a look at the Fanttik Apex V10 portable vacuum cleaner. Multiple uses. You can use it indoors or mainly for your car, and has various attachments, and you can also adjust the angle. As you saw in my demonstration, it was able to pick up the debris with no issues. So I've left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out.